जब भी आप कोई अजूबे को देखते हो, आप इस कदर विस्मित हो जाते हो कि आपके जहन में वो हमेशा हमेशा के लिए रह जाता है। दिस प्लेस विच आई विजिटेड was just so magnificent and incredible that it just felt like a dream. वो ज़बरदस्त सीनरीज, वो लंबा ट्रेन का सफ़र, वो स्नो का वॉक जिसमें चलने का आनंद अलग ही है, वो खूबसूरत से लोग, नन्हे मुन्ने से बच्चे, ब्यूटीफुल, and more than everything, the happiness on the face of my family. Everything was just so perfect that this journey remained etched in my memories.
Right now at the Gebeki station, and the scenes here are like this, pure awesome.
Come along with me on this travel vlog from Japan to experience the struggles, the happiness, and the beautiful memories that we shared on the trip, which was just so perfect. ये जर्नी शुरू होता है टोक्यो से। हमने गेबेकी पहुंचने के लिए टोक्यो से हायाबुसा शिंकानसेन या बुलेट ट्रेन लिया था टिल इचिनोसेकी। फ्रॉम देयर वी कन्वर्टेड टू अ लोकल ट्रेन। The Hayabusa Shinkansen is operated by a company called as JR East Railways, and the Hayabusa is absolutely beautiful from inside.
I'm right now at Ichinoseki, and this is the first snow of the year. Absolutely brilliant. I'm just loving it. And behind me is the train. Amazing. It's a one-man train. I'll show you what is inside. Absolutely gorgeous. Really enjoying. Let's go.
Right now inside a train towards Gebeki Gorge. This is an absolutely scenic route. There's completely snow everywhere, and this is a very small train, and it's got just one entry and exit. That's it. So that is something that we got to use, and absolutely loving it, and absolutely scenic route.
Right now at the Gebeki station, and the scenes here are like this, pure awesome. Right now walking towards the gorge area, where we'll be taking a small boat ride of 90 minutes to sightsee the entire gorge area. What I've heard is this is going to be a beautiful ride, so let's check out. I'm really waiting for it. Yeah, but the town is really good. I'm literally surrounded by snow everywhere. This is my first snow of the year, and feels really good to be in this town at this time.
पूरे शहर में इतना बर्फ़ था कि लग रहा था कि किसी ने शहर को पूरा वाइट से पेंट कर दिया है।
Behind me is the boat ride section, where we'll have to get onto the boat. What I've heard is the beauty along this boat ride is legendary, and it's amazingly awesome to look at. It's about a 90-minute boat ride, and it's hand-driven boat. I'm really excited to get on it and show you the entire things that are there on the gorge. Come, let's go.
इस नदी के जो साइड में नेचर है दैट इज़ एब्सोल्युटली प्रिस्टीन एंड ब्यूटीफुल. इसको देख के दिल में सिर्फ एक ही ख्याल आता है, दैट इज़ ये दिल मांगे मोर.
Hi.
Hi. Hi. Bye bye.
गेबिकी गॉर्ज का जो बोट राइड है वो अपने आप में एक यूनिक एक्सपीरियंस है एंड इट कॉस्ट यू अराउंड 1800 येन या 900 रुपया एंड द राइड लास्ट फॉर 90 मिनट्स.
The boat ride was absolutely mental. It was like amazingly awesome. I was like too much overwhelmed to identify locations to shoot. That was the kind of situation, a good situation that happened. It was absolutely beautiful. There were these huge boulders, huge rocks, amazingly awesome formations. There was especially that face of a female and a male rock that was amazingly awesome and beautiful. I cannot just imagine how beautiful this place would be in autumn, because all these trees, just imagine turning yellow and turning orange. Absolutely gorgeous view is what I could think of. Yeah, but now it's snow. Let's enjoy the snow.
ये जो आप सॉन्ग सुन रहे हो एक ट्रेडिशनल सॉन्ग है जो बहुत ज़मानों से चलते आ रहा है. गेविकी के बाद हमारा सफ़र निकला मोरियोका सिटी की तरफ। मोरियोका सिटी इज़ एक्चुअली द कैपिटल ऑफ इवाते प्रीफेक्चर, विच इज़ द प्रीफेक्चर वी आर राइट नाउ इन।
$330 kilo teapot? Really?
इवाते प्रीफेक्चर जाना जाता है अपने आयरन वर्क्स के लिए। यहाँ का आयरन वर्क्स टॉप नॉच क्वालिटी का होता है एंड इज़ फेमस ऑल थ्रू आउट जापान।
Thank you. Much needed coffee after a long freezing day.
You come to a new city and you want to have some local food, but your wife craves for her guilty pleasure. What are you going to do?
We are roaming around here from past half an hour. We are not able to find the rooms.
Done for the day. Really tired. I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye bye.